To mark a landmark, we can zoom and pan on the specific region of the face where we want to place the point. Zoom is applied using the mouse wheel, turning it towards us to zoom out, or the contrary to zoom in. Pan functionality, that is to say, to move around the image, is applied maintaining press the left button of the mouse while moving it. Once we are in the region of interest, we will place the cursor over the point where we want to mark the landmark, and with a right click, we will display the landmark selection window. For example, after selecting the exocantium, it will appear at the intersection of the vertical and horizontal auxiliary reference lines. We can use these lines to refine the location of the landmark. Placing the cursor over one of these lines, we can drag them, with the consequent displacement of the landmark, to position them so that we can determine certain areas with more accuracy. In this case, we move the vertical line to determine the lateral corner of the eye, and the horizontal line to determine the intersection of both eyelids. In addition, in case the pose in the photograph required changing the position of the lines to determine some structure, we could do it by placing the cursor over the circle and keeping the left button pressed while we rotate. If we want to refine without using the auxiliary lines, we could simply have to place the cursor over the landmark and keep the right button pressed to move it.